welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Claudine. If you are new here, guys, then I am the founder and director of naturesnaturalhair.com. If you're wondering what that is, it is an online platform that sells natural hair products and hair accessories for men, women and children. And not only do we sell products to you guys, we do have a service that you can sign up to, that if you need any help and product suggestions or how to care for your hair, and that's for men, women and children, and that's for all hair textures, then you can sign up to our service and we'll be happy to help you with that. So before we jump into the core of the video, we just want to thank Aventino, yay, for sponsoring this first portion of the video. And Aventino basically is an Italian brand watch, and they do watches for men and for women. And as you know, Father's Day is fast approaching us, and we are kind of out here thinking what to buy these guys, because it's never an easy task buying for men, because they are quite simple and sometimes they don't require things, and most of them are quite specific. So I thought I will throw in some ideas that you can look to purchase for them. And why not try these watches? These watches, and I'll leave the information here on the screen or on the side here. They have such elegant watches here, and the concept behind the brand is to provide you with high-end quality watches but at affordable prices. And the concept idea is absolutely brilliant. They have a variety of different styles of watches, so there's something for someone as well, but I'll leave the information below in the description box. And because they have sponsored this part of the video, if you use this code at the discount checkout, or at the checkout, it's Nature's Natural Hair 15, you'll get 15% off of your first purchase. So head over to their platform and don't forget to use the code Nature's Natural Hair 15 to get your 15% off. I'll leave all the information in the description box below as well. Got that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So in this video, I thought, why not do like a gift guide of different types of products that you can probably look or consider to purchase for your Father's Day gifts. So the first one is the hair and body wash with peppermint extract by this brand called Black Angel for men. And the brilliant thing about this is not only the size of the bottle, because you know it's going to last them a long time, but it has a combination of being a shampoo as well as a body wash. So there ain't no excuse for them to say, I didn't wash my hair. You got the shampoo and the conditioner combined in one, and that you can utilize it as well because it's designed that way. So this is something that you can consider buying for them to stop them from using your shampoo and your conditioner. Okay, so the next product, which is one of our best sellers, is the Black Angel for men, and that's their hair growth serum. And this one, the men that have purchases that's kindly left us a review said that they've experienced hair growth from using this product here, and in combination of using this hair growth oil, they've purchased also, or they have, which is this really cute little gift here in a box that you can look to buy for them and their Father's Day. It comes with like a pouch, and inside it is the brush and the comb. And what the men do is when they apply the serum oil in the areas that they want to experience the hair growth, they then follow it up with the brush, and they use that brush in circular motions to help to infuse the product into the skin, and also to help to stimulate the blood flow around in order to aid in hair growth. And from doing that process alone, they've experienced some growth of hair from doing that. So that's this product here, and it comes in that pouch with the brush and the comb that you could look to buy as a gift. It's also a really great little package as well that they can keep in the car, and also if they're going on holiday they can put that in the hand luggage. So really great gift that you can look to buy them. Also, as we like to keep their routine very simple, because they don't need to do the most like what we do in our hair, they can follow up with a leave-in conditioner, and this is by Cantu, and this is their leave-in conditioner, and it will provide their hair with intense moisture. The consistency is quite thick, so they don't need to use too much of it, but they need to use a sufficient amount according to how much hair they have. If you have any hair, or if they have any hair in their head, then you can follow up with a styling product, and that's the Black Angel texture paste, and it gives them a medium hold, and it provides their hair with strength and also a hold. And this is brilliant to use in the hair if they want to do like twists or any coils or any braids that they want to apply to their hair, and it will stay in their hair until the next wash day. This product here won't provide your hair with flaking, but it will give you a medium hold, so your hair ain't going nowhere which is great if you're looking for that type of hold. If not, then you can pretty much just leave your hair in the style just using the leave-in conditioner, and you just apply your twist or braid, whatever style you want on your hair. That should be sufficient enough. So at the moment so far, guys, that's all what we have. We do also have gift vouchers that you can purchase from our store, and that's at naturesnaturalhair.com. so if those items are not tickling your fancy, then you can also buy them gift vouchers at our store, and they can use it to buy whatever they want. If they are stuck and need any help, and then we do have a haircare service. It's not just tailored for women. We have had some men utilize our service as well, and they found it very useful. So if they need any help, then yes, they can sign up to that, and we'll be happy to talk them through their hair care needs. So guys, this is it. We have finished our video. It is short, it's sweet, it's not too long, which is what we like sometimes. So if you've liked this, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so and you've come this far, why not subscribe, y'all? Subscribe, because we are going to have many more other videos as well. If you have any video requests that you want us to do, then leave information below in the description box. Everything that we've discussed here in this video will be linked below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye now.